For me, what catches me and makes me anxious is, in public situations when I'm unaware of it, and all of a sudden, it's a crowd of people. All of a sudden, something happens, and everyone's looking, and in this episode, we talk about it. It's about just coming back to your breath, and also, I think we're so used to triggering our fight or flight that we're constantly walking in a state of adrenaline when we don't need to be. And so when those things happen now, I'm like, there's not a dinosaur chasing you. There's no great threat. This is.
And so this guy, Carl Stow, taught runners, he taught opera singers, he taught emphysemics how to breathe better. And he was the one that was brought in for the 1968 Olympics in Mexico City, elevation 6,000 feet. And he's the one who taught the U.S. men's track and field team to breathe properly. And they went out and destroyed everybody. They won more medals than any other track team ever. And they did not need to take oxygen before or after the races. Every other team was. Because we have 11 pounds of muscles that control our respiration, right? We're working out every other muscle in our body, our wrists, our arms, but we're not working out the muscle that delivers us energy, which is absolutely nuts. And you'll be shocked when you start looking at the scientific research at the performance gains that people can get after 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, double-digit performance gains.
Let's be honest, most of us take our breathing for granted, but it's time to change that. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to mindful breathing, you can transform your physical and mental well-being. When you start paying attention to your breath, it naturally becomes deeper. Over time, you'll find yourself taking fewer breaths per minute. Let me explain this with a simple analogy. A dog breathes 20 to 30 times per minute and has a lifespan of 10 to 15 years. A turtle, on the other hand, breathes only 4 to 6 times per minute and can live over 100 years. A monk may breathe just 7 to 9 times per minute, while an average human takes 12 to 20 breaths per minute. To increase your lifespan, take fewer and deeper breaths per minute. In this video, I'll teach you 3 beginner-friendly techniques that will help you deepen your breath, activating your parasympathetic nervous system, which is your rest and digest response. It will help you balance your hormones, reduce stress and anxiety. The best part, these techniques only take 5 to 10 minutes a day. Now, before we dive in, pause this video and find a quiet, distraction-free space where you can fully focus for the next few minutes. So the first one is diaphragmatic breathing. This is the foundation of all breathing techniques and a great place to start. Diaphragmatic breathing, also called belly breathing, helps you engage your diaphragm fully, improving oxygen flow and calming the nervous system. I'll demonstrate this technique using clips from my 7-day parasympathetic nervous system fix program. Sit in a comfortable position with your shoulders relaxed. You can sit cross-legged or you can sit on a chair. Second, place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. This will help you monitor your breathing and ensure that you're engaging your diaphragm. Third, inhale deeply through your nose. Allow your belly to rise as you breathe in, keeping your chest as still as possible. Then exhale through your mouth. Let your belly fall as you slowly release the breath. Repeat for 3 to 5 minutes to fully engage the diaphragm. Second, box breathing. Now this technique is perfect for beginners because it incorporates counting, helping your mind stay focused. Now box breathing involves inhaling, holding, exhaling, and then holding again, all for equal counts, that is 4 seconds. Many beginners see amazing results after practicing this for just 21 days. So let's go through box breathing together now. Find a relaxed position with a straight back and shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable. Now slowly inhale through your nose for a count of 4, allowing the air to fill your lungs. Gently hold the breath for another count of 4, keeping your body relaxed. Slowly exhale through your mouth or your nose for a count of 4, releasing all the air from your lungs. And then pause and hold the breath out for a final count of 4 before beginning the next cycle. Continue this pattern for several minutes, focusing on keeping each count slow and even. The third technique, known as the humming exhale or Bhramari Pranayam, involves creating a humming sound during the exhale. The vibrations from this sound have a calming effect on the nervous system, significantly reducing stress and anxiety. The impact is profound. Let me guide you through it. Steps for practicing humming exhale breathing, also known as Bhramari Pranayam. Sit in a relaxed, upright position, either on a chair or on the floor, with your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes if that's comfortable. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Now, as you begin to exhale, keep your mouth closed and gently make a humming sound, like the sound of the letter M. Feel the vibrations resonate throughout your throat, head and body. Let the exhalation and humming last as long as it is comfortable for you. Bring your awareness to the soothing sound and vibration, feeling its calming effect. Inhale deeply through the nose and exhale with the humming sound for several cycles, focusing on the breath and the vibration. An optional variation is closing the ears. For a more intense experience, you can gently place your fingers on the cartilage of each ear without fully blocking the ear canal. This deepens the resonance of the humming sound, creating a more immersive, calming effect. I recommend practicing these breathing techniques first thing in the morning for just 5 to 10 minutes. Within days, you'll notice increased energy and reduced stress. Now folks, if you have struggled with high levels of anxiety, stress or difficulty concentrating like I have before, I encourage you to check out my 7-day parasympathetic nervous system fix program. It's actually a toolkit designed to help you quickly activate your rest and digest response throughout the day, keeping you calm, focused and in a state of healing. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Akash and I'll see you in the next video.